Hi, my name's Erica Stice and I'm the studio coordinator at Halstead, and today I wanted to talk to you about our third hand, which is a really valuable soldering tool. We have 3 at each of our stations here, on each of our soldering stations here at Halstead in the employee studio. We absolutely love them. Now this features a cross-lock tweezer, so you push in order to open the jaws. And it also is adjustable, so you can move it around and lock it in place. And it comes with a weighted base, which is really awesome because it won't flip over. The most important thing about it, though, is it keeps your hands free. So what you'll do is you'll place your piece to be soldered in between the jaws. And this frees you up for your soldering pick and your torch so that you can get going. It's really a handy tool to have. Now, if you want to solder from underneath, you can raise it up. You can use magnesia blocks, or you can even raise it up using a tripod. And that's how we use ours here. Thanks for watching.